20 bucks for all of them?
No,
Each?
yeah.
Do you know if they still work? Yeah, I know. They do work? PlayStation in the box, that's pretty cool. Ask about that one. Some high dollar stuff here for sure. So, how much is your PlayStation here?
$250 for everything.
$250, okay.
For everything.
Yeah.
You can open it up. It has the not for sale, the developer's demo in it, and all these other games too.
It's got some good ones, huh?
It's got some good games.
Okay.
And all 4 of the Final Fantasies CDs as well.
Yeah. How much is the Guild Wars guy?
Let it go for 80.
80 bucks. Okay.
That has everything in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good set. All right, cool. Thank you.
I know online just the piece alone selling for 80.
Just the what?
Just the figures
okay,
selling
yeah.
for 80.
Yeah, that's
And
what I
you're
do is
getting all the
eBay
other
things.
pieces.
So yeah.
I seen them go inbox for like 120.
Oh.
I'm quite under.
Yeah. If you get the right collector over here, they'll buy it for sure.
I've already taken the Honda out of that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Honda head, so
There you go.
you're not going to see like any Hondas on the table. Really.
All the Hondas are gone.
Pretty much. So just that one little Civic now.
Yeah. Cool,
and
man.
if somebody's like really after certain Hondas, I might pull them out for
Yeah.
them,
You take requests, huh?
Yeah,
That's cool.
that does work.
Yeah. How much do you want on that?
10.
Is it a Harry Potter thing or?
Yeah, it's the sorting hat. The power button's on the brim.
Yeah.
Like right.
Would you call it a sorting brim?
The sorting hat.
What's it go for on eBay?
I didn't check this one. I just checked that one.
Sorting, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find it. No, it talks. Huh?
Yeah, it's cool. It tells you like what, like when they would have written for Harry Potter movies, like
Yeah.
Slytherin or.
You know, I've never watched the Harry Potter movie.
My girlfriend was in it.
You said 10?
Yeah.
Would you go like 5 on it?
That's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I give you 5 on it. Does that little 911 Porsche still work?
So I've tested it.
Yeah.
It doesn't work, but it is a vintage Hong Kong.
Okay.
1988.
Is there like battery acid leak or something? Or?
I don't know, because I cleaned it out best I could.
Okay. What are you asking on it? With it not working, what are you thinking?
The tires are really good.
The tires are good. Okay.
And it's got the gold trim. I do it for 10. It's complete.
Not working for 10?
Stickers are good. I mean, to a Porsche guy, they put it up for 50.
You think so?
Yeah, because it's a 911.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd do 5 on it just without looking it up.
Take it. That's fine.
Okay. All right. We're 10 there, and then you got this thing. Let's see.
Not for
Oh,
like
wait.
2 months.
I got you. That's right. I remember talking about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Sorry, man. Do you have change? Appreciate it. Yeah, I like these old RC cars. Too bad it doesn't work, man. That's...
Yeah. If it had worked, it wouldn't have came out. It
Yeah.
would have been on my shelf,
Yeah.
yeah.
I would have been playing with
I
it.
take stuff like that apart anymore.
Yeah.
Having 2 kids, so.
Yeah, I got 3 of them, so I know how
Yeah,
it is.
I got a 9 and 3.
Oh yeah. All right, man. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Cool stuff. Cool guy.
This is a launch model. And all the paperwork isn't.
Oh yeah, I'll look into it when I'm walking around. Yeah. Thank you.
I am willing to take trade. If it's stuff I can retail out here. If it's not stuff you do Goodwill on eBay with,
Yeah.
do some trade.
Trades,
a bunch
okay.
of lows for the high.
Yeah.
Sort of thing.
Would you by chance want me to just put this on your table? I bought it and I don't want it. You can probably get like $2 for it.
Okay.
It's missing like a little chicken thing in the center. Thank you, man.
Yeah, have a good one.
Teamster Drive. That's cool. How much are your Where you at? How much are your hats? How much are your hats?
Well, the hats are depends which one is this one.
The Teamster one. $3 on that. Okay. And then let's see if you got any other cool ones.
I got the A's. The two A's are vintage. The ones in the bottom.
The 2 A's ones.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's vintage.
Oh, what is that? That's pretty cool. How much is that?
5 on those. I got 2 of them.
You want to do all 3 for 10?
Sure.
Okay, we'll go 3 for 10 there, and then see what else you got.
You already check it out. This is a great price. 15.
This thing?
25.
Do you know if it works though?
It works, yeah.
Oh, there's batteries in there?
It's on.
Okay, cool.
So it was off, so that's on. So this
Okay.
it works.
All right, 25 for 25, all this stuff?
I got a plastic bag if you want.
I can just throw it in here.
Oh, you got your card?
Yeah, I got my
good.
card on.
Oh, you got merchandise already.
Yeah, I'm shopping. Definitely shopping.
Super.
I'm here to buy. Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Yeah. So this one. Just looking for the ones that have the actual things on the bottom. This one has them in here, so these are like truly brand new. Just see if this one has stuff inside here. Yeah, it does. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 120. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day. Hey, how you doing, man?
Make you hear that time.
Oh yeah, I think I remember you, man.
Yeah, it's my brother.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you guys find anything cool today?
Girl,
Okay.
I don't know.
Little drifter car?
I thought about you
that's
when,
crazy.
When
Yeah.
I saw this.
That's definitely something I would have picked up.
$5.
Yeah, great deal. Great
Yeah.
deal. Awesome, man.
Right on.
Yeah, well, good seeing you again,
Nice
man.
seeing you.
Yeah. Hopefully we find some more cool stuff.
I took a picture with you last time. I'll send it to you on Instagram.
Oh yeah, hit me up, man.
Yeah,
I'll repost it for sure.
Cool.
Yeah, take it easy, man.
Yeah, you too.
All right, here's something that you don't see every day. We got a seal. You put like a little succulent in there. That's pretty cool. I'd say something like this I would only buy if I got it for like $1 or $2. But let's just see. Cool little Bambi guy there. Japan. Let's see what she wants for him. Get a. Excuse me. How much are these two things here? We got a seal and a Bambi. $1.50? $1.50? Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. Alright, that's not bad actually. Whoa. How about this elephant?
It's $4.
$4? Oh, that's cool. All right, so we're at $5.50 now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna put them inside and I'll pay you. Thank you. It's okay. I'll just put them right here. Oh, this one has some stuff inside of it. You want to take that stuff out? Are you sure? Okay, a little bonus stuff. Thank you. Here's $6. You can keep the change. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, $6, okay.
That's total. That's
Yeah,
good.
total,
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
What's up, part-time Texas?
What's up, man? How you been?
Good.
Long time no see.
Where you been?
Not at the flea market.
I know, I haven't seen you.
Been at the swap meet, garage
Yes.
sales.
Normally I see you, but you weren't there this week.
Yeah. No, I've been out, man. You got anything cool you want to sell me today?
Shoot. Honestly, over here I only bring the stuff. Ese también a 10. I don't really bring stuff that you would be like high-end stuff.
Yeah. Well, you know me, I could sell like the
Well, you go ahead.
$30
man.
things.
You see something? I got turtles complete in I got these turtles, bro. But
You got some complete turtles?
yeah, they're complete with accessories.
What do you think they go for?
Well, like 25, 30.
25, 30?
Yeah, I'll give them to you for $10 each if you take them.
10 each?
Yeah, but those are like with accessories, or like see with the weapons.
Yeah.
Or you could take the loose ones for $5.
Okay.
Well, you can check them out. Yeah, feel free to.
Yeah, I'll check out a couple of these and see what they're going for.
Yeah.
You ever find one of the higher end turtles before?
I did. I found the basketball one, the white shirt.
Oh yeah, I think I remember you telling me that.
Yeah, I found that one, man.
Was that like $600 or
I
something?
sold it for like 6 something, yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Or I got loose Joe's for 80s.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, check them out, man.
Let's see what this guy goes for.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this guy is General Trag. Let's see what General Trag does. General Trag.
I also got
Complete.
Transformers and stuff like
Little
that.
Transformer deals.
Or this one, you can check this one out too, the models.
Oh, okay.
They do pretty good on eBay.
They're pretty good, huh? Yeah, this guy only has 1 gun out of 3. Well, he has supposed to have 2 guns and a knife. Then he'd be worth 27. But with just the 1 gun, he's not going to be worth that much. I can tell you that right now. Let's just look into this guy real quick. And this thing that I'm using here is just called Google Lens. It's just a regular Google app, and you go to the photo section and take a photo, and it'll find you exactly what the thing is. Sometimes it gets a little tricky to figure it out exactly. All right, so this one is Natural Rat King. Okay, let's go Rat King complete. Rat King complete. Let's see what he goes for. So he actually it looks like he's complete, but he's only worth 25. So $10 each. I can't do it.
You already have this one, huh?
All right, man. Unfortunately, I got to pass at that price, but
No worries. Yeah, that's all I have. I don't really have.
yeah. I know how it is, and you weren't expecting to see me here today.
No,
so.
I don't, because you never come over here.
Yeah. It's either I've been going to San Jose on Sundays, so
How much you think you can pay?
on those, I mean,
That's cool. I'll give
Like-
you a deal, man.
so they're not all complete,
Okay.
unfortunately, but they do have like a few
Accessories,
accessories. So
Just make me an offer. That's cool.
yeah, I mean the most I would do is like $5 each.
How many?
There's like 4 of them, I think.
Give me 22.
22.
22. Yeah.
Okay, I could do 22, man.
Yeah. Just 'cause.
I appreciate it. Just throw it right in my car, man. Sorry, don't mean to put you to work.
No, you could flip them more than I would.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I've been having them for a while, so I just want to get rid of them.
Yeah. Did you collect them, or you just?
No. I bought a lot. I bought so I put some. Okay, so some guy at a store, he rent me like a spot basically.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of those, but I had a lot of
Okay.
doubles.
Okay, cool.
I had a lot of doubles, so I put most of the doubles in there. So those are just extras. That
Just
I
little
have.
extra ones.
In the morning, I had a lot of vintage toys. Like
I know.
this guy bought like $300 worth of stuff. So.
Wow. Yeah, I've been walking around too slow, man, but I'm just taking my time, you know.
Do you go to Laney after this or no?
No, I'll probably just go home, man. Yeah, I gotta start getting to work and watch the Super Bowl tonight.
Oh yeah, today's Super Bowl. Yeah.
Yeah.
Super Bowl Sunday.
All right, what?
Experiment
You're
with
throwing in the Taz hat?
Yeah,
Here,
go
let me.
ahead, man. Just
let me
give me a shout out, you know.
Oh yeah, I always got you, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Sorry to bug you. How much are these?
This one, $10.
$10 on these?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, they look like they're brand new. I mean, if they're used, they're only used like very little. Yeah, they're definitely tried on. But look at that bottom. It's like nothing. I feel like I could probably get, without even looking them up, at least $40 on these in this condition. So we'll go ahead and just pick those up. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
Okay.
$20?
$20 for all of them?
No,
Each?
Yeah.
Do you know if they still work?
Thinking.
Yeah, I know. They do work?
Supplies and solutions for every industry.
Let's look it up.
Salad spinners, I buy them, I get rid of them, I use them, then I get rid of them.
Could never have too many salad spinners.
Well, you know, I like to buy the ones that are pre-washed.
Oh yeah. Try to get all that
But then I said I better buy them, yeah.
Get any of them short any church?
no, no, they're probably not even working.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna see real quick.
Probably about 60.
Yeah.
Down here is hard.
Yeah, without usually they would have a little tiny bit of charge. But yeah. And they're only worth $40 and they want 20, so we'll pass on them. Alright, real quick, I just made this deal off camera, but I'm getting this hat. I've actually been wearing a lot of these Columbia hats lately, and 2 of these Yetis. I don't know if this is a great deal or not, but so the 2 Yetis in the hat for $50. And I've been drinking a lot of tea lately, so those Yetis are going to come in clutch. And the hat, you know, I'm going to wear. This is all just for me. Would you go like 5 on it? You sure? Okay, cool. Okay. I mean, I'd do 5 on it just without looking it up. Do you have to?
On the hot side, depends which one
This is good. Oh, what is that? That's pretty cool. How much is that? 5 total?
It's just, I can leave cheaper.
Oh, that's fit. That's fine. Okay, thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. $1.50? Okay, sounds good. Oh, that's cool. All right. 2. Okay, I could do 22, man. I feel like I could probably get, without even looking them up,